Hello and welcome to Cubing Corner. Do you guys know how to dismantle a cube and bring it back to original? So let's begin. If you have a complete cube or a shuffled cube, and if you want to open this, you need to rotate the top layer or any one of the layer holding in this orientation, and you need to turn the one layer 45 degrees like this, and you can take any of the tool, or if the cube is very smooth, then you can just press your thumb in the bottom of one edge like this and just rotate to take this piece out. That's easy, right? If you are not able to do like this, then you might have to take a screwdriver to loosen or tension the cube in such a way that it can be removed easily. Yes, it's definitely easy. As you can see, there may be some dirt here, and which I need to clean it right now. Remember to keep your edges and corners as the way they are. By doing this, it will be easy later on to assemble back into the normal position. It will be definitely faster than if you get these pieces shuffled. If you are having a magnetic cube, please be careful about the magnets inside. I may be required to remove the dirt present over inside also. And always remember, if you want to remove your cap of the cube, then remove it, and later you can place it right opposite of those colors. Red opposite orange, white opposite of yellow, green opposite blue, so that you don't miss anything. Also, you should keep in mind that when in a solid cube, when white is on top and blue is on front, then red will be on the left hand side. When you have a solid corner like this, you can take an help of a corner to decide which color should come front and which color should come on the left. So let me quickly take a waste cloth and clean all my cubes right here. First, as you solve, it's better that how you solve the cube, just hold it in the bottom. Then choose all the edges, white edges over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Initially, it will be very difficult if your cube is very smooth. So, better thing is choose the corner which needs to come here and place it right into its place so that it sticks up. Later, you can just rotate the core and then place one more edge over here. Chances are more that in a speed cube, these edges can come out very easily. So be patient and hold the cube upright. Choose that corner that comes in between these edges. Let me just place them back. Oops, I placed it wrong. Yeah, there you go. Take the help of the table so that you don't bring all the pieces up. Just keep matching the colors until you fix all the pieces back. So once the first layer is done, then it's quite simple. I have already placed my second layer edges over here. Now I need to just search and place it back. So it's in order. Now for the final step, final layer, I will be placing all my edges except one. You can actually turn 45 and then just press like this to just insert. So remaining one I will be placing at the end, and I'll be filling all the other corners so that it goes smoothly. Remember to keep yellow on top. If you by mistakenly have placed like this, then just try to twist your puzzle. So for the last one, I will be placing my last corner, and as I have removed the piece, I will be placing back the edge in the same way. I will not just push this, chances of breakage will be more. So I will be just locking this puzzle in the end and solving it. So for the extra care, you can actually apply a lube to here. You can buy lube from a cube store in your place. If you find this video helpful, just hit a like button. If you want to watch more videos for cube and puzzle, then hit that subscribe button and bell icon to get the notification as soon as I upload. Thanks for watching.